Good day, folks. Welcome to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. Please, before I go ahead, I would like to say subscribe to our channel. On this channel, you're going to be learning a lot of things. You're going to learn how to make some products by yourself at the confines or at the comfort of your house. Now, today we are going to learn how to make aftershave. Okay, aftershave will help take away the bumps after you finished shaving. So it's really necessary and important that you learn how to make it on your own. We have very important products or items here that we need to use to make aftershave. Okay, the first product is methanol. It's an alcohol. This is methanol. It's an alcohol. It is an antibacterial, antifungal item. It is very, very necessary in this production. Okay, it will kill germs. It will remove some of those things that hurt people when they have bumps. Okay, when they shave, maybe you shave and you have a little hair cut in, and then from there you have an infection. This is used to soothe that. The next thing we are going to use is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. This is also an alcohol. It's known as IPA for short. It's also an antibacterial, antifungal item. Very, very necessary in the production of aftershave. The next thing we're going to use here is pine oil. Pine oil is gotten from pine tree. Very necessary. It's a very strong antibacterial, antifungal product. The next thing we are going to use here is our perfume to make your aftershave. You need to smell nice after shaving when you use it. The next thing we use here is glycerin. It's to lubricate. It's also to cushion the effect of the alcohols you're going to be using. Alright, we're going to use a little menthol. A little menthol is just to make it hot a little and to soothe. The effect of menthol will help soothe any pain and all of that. The next thing we are going to use is your color. It's optional. You can decide to use any color of your choice, but I think I would use blue. For some people, they don't use color. Some people use pink. Any color you choose. This is an oil-based color. That's what we are using. Now, when you're producing your aftershave, it has to be done in a very hygienic condition. So what I'm going to be wearing my gloves. Very, very important. Okay, so let's watch out for the next segment for the actual production. Thank you. But before you go, remember to subscribe to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel and you will learn lots more. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Alright, now we're going to start the production of our aftershave. Please, whenever you're doing any production, don't forget your personal protective equipment. Safety is key. Alright, we're going to start with, like I said earlier, we're going to be using some important products. Number one is the methanol. So we're going to use 5 kg, or 5 liters rather. We're going to use 5 liters of methanol. This is the methanol, antifungal, antibacterial. So we're going to use 5, this is 5 liters. Always remember to label your products. Anything you're using for production, make sure it's well labeled, because as you can see, it looks like water, though it's not water. And then we're going to use our IPA, that's isopropyl alcohol, but that one we're just going to use only 1 liter. I'm going to add that. Okay. Okay, so the next item we're going to add here is our pine oil. Like I said earlier, our pine oil is gotten from pine tree. It's antibacterial, antifungal, very strong. Okay, fights against germs. So I'm going to add 25 ml. So we don't need so much because it can be really harsh on the skin. The next thing we're going to add here is our methanol, or menthol rather. We already added our methanol. We are going to add our menthol. We're going to use just 1/4 of this spoon. That means it has to be a little so that it doesn't get too hot. Okay. Then we are going to add our glycerin. This is just to cushion the effect of all the alcohol you've used, is to soften. Glycerin naturally softens the hand and the body. So we will add glycerin, 12 ml glycerin. We're going to add our color. Like I said earlier, the color is optional and you can choose any color of your choice. You can decide to use red, pink, but I've chosen blue. You can use any color of your choice. And add the quantity you want. I just need a little color, very little. Okay, that's it. Okay, the last but not the least ingredient we are going to add here is our alcohol, is our perfume. We need our aftershave to smell really nice. Okay, so I've added our perfume there, 50 ml perfume, and it smells really nice. This aftershave is very effective against burns, any kind of infection you could get as a result of barbing. This aftershave is really effective. It will clean. It's good. It's an antibacterial, antifungal aftershave. Very effective. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. It's very important that you learn how to make these things. Your skill is your power. Thank you very much. Do have a lovely day. Okay, so this is our aftershave, antifungal, antibacterial. Very good and soft on the skin. Okay, it's very effective. We're going to package this product, so watch out for the third process, which is packaging. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. We're going to do more videos on how you can do most of these things at the comfort of your home. Thank you. Do have a lovely day. We're going to package right now. The product is ready. The aftershave is ready. Very safe for your skin. Okay. And then cover it like this. It's ready for use. And also remember, after every production, it's safe for you to sieve your products first before you package them. Look for a cheesecloth and sieve your products before you package them. Thank you very much. Please watch our channel, SabiMakeAm channel. See you next time.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.